Good morning, everyone. It's Auntie My Beauty here. I'm just gonna show you around. Okay, today is Wednesday, garbage day po. So we have recycle, which is the blue bins. We have the green one. Yan po yung mga pagkain na nabubulok. And then we have the yard garbage. And then we have the black bag, which is garbage po. So everyday po ganyan, nag-ano po kami, nag-recycle. So we practice that often kasi ganyan po ang Canada. You have to be disciplined. Hindi ka pwedeng magtapon lang kung saan-saan. Kaya nakikita nyo, very clean po ang aming neighborhood or anywhere in Canada as well. They practices that too, but like I said, depende po sa tao yan. Marunong silang sumunod. Pero so far, nakakagaan ng pakiramdam kapag malinis ang iyong kapaligiran. So sana magkaroon po tayo ng ganyang sistema sa Pilipinas na hindi lang tapon basura para iwas baha. And of course, you're also protecting the nature. Ito po ang aking daily life here in Woodbridge.